Hi guys, what's up? It's me, Oneleeter, here again. Been requesting this video forever, and I never wanted to make one, but here we are. So, you're about to see some shit. You're about to embark on a fucking journey from alien creature to goth bitch. So, I hope you enjoy it. And also, this is my everyday makeup. And then the extended version at the end, I will do my demonic editions. Don't forget to subscribe or like this video if you so desire. I'm doing this for you. But thank you, and I hope you like it. I hope you enjoy it. Okay, see you guys. Okay. So here we go. About to see some alien action. There you go. Very nice, right? Straight out of Area 51. First off, we're going to start with primers. Always start with a primer. Please, for the love of God, start with primers. Ancient Veil works. This NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop is my favorite. This one is also good. I like the milk one. It spreads really well if you want one that spreads well. This Can't Stop Won't Stop, you have to put it on at the speed of light or it will clump up. Do not smear it, you gotta pat it on there. Quickly. Next, prime your eyelids. Very important. Always prime the lids. Okay, this one's my favorite. It is from e.l.f. It's like one of the only e.l.f. products I like. But it's like $3 at Walmart and it works like perfect. It's like a charm. Make sure that it dries. Don't blink while it dries. Takes like a couple seconds. Not too long. Not too strenuous. Not too bad. Next is foundation. This one is my favorite. I've loved it for a long time. Estee Lauder's Double Wear Stay in Place Makeup. Buy it in your particular color. This one's like the whitest one because I'm a ghost bitch. Get yourself an applicator of sorts. Whatever you want to use. I like to use a big fluffy brush. And then just spread that shit on there. Get that shit all over there. Okay? Blend like there's no tomorrow. And then do not forget to put some on your motherfucking neck. Blend that shit out, okay? Do yourself a favor and don't look like a floating head. So now we're gonna contour. I just use this e.l.f. palette. Use whatever you like. It's just a brownish colors. I do my cheekbones and my nose because I have a fatty, bobatty nose. And just making my eye sockets blended. Make them look, drawn and dead. You know how it goes. And just underneath my jawline, making it come out a little bit better since I have those nice fluffy cheeks. Okay, now I'm gonna do my highlights. I use this particular white, but do not use this brand, okay? It's great, but it costs like $60, and it's not worth it. Buy yourself a white. It's just a white foundation. I would use any of them. They work just fine as long as you have primers. And then I just do my little lip lines, right? Get those highlights on the what the fuck is that called? A cupid's bow or whatever? Yeah, that makes sense. Yep. Are you still with me at this point? All right. And then just do the high arches of your brows, so the light will shimmer in the right spots. And then I use this for a highlighter, Master Holographic Maybelline. It was the one that was there. It works just fine. To be honest, I probably wouldn't recommend this brand. It's not the best pigments, but it's the one I happen to use. It's cheap. And then just go over your whites with that. Get it all over the place, okay? Get your chin, get them highlighted brows, get the highlighted cheekbones. As if you are dead already. Look at that. This is my albino look. Okay, next is my eyeshadow. So I use fucking lipstick for my eyeshadow. I think it works great. Everyone's gonna be like, no, how could you do this? No! No! But yeah, so I use the Divine Wine. Just use a really, they're really highly pigmented reds, so that's why I like to use them. First, get a lot of, just a coat on there. Just get a lot of lipstick everywhere. Do my lips. Alright, now time to blend that shit out. Make it all pointy. I kind of bring it down right here. Not to go necessarily underneath my eye, but a little further. Get that white strip in there. And then point it out. Make it fucking stab worthy, you know? Alright. Nice. As sharp as a blade. Then I will contour my nose, my nostrils with the red as well. Just getting even more of an angle. So this is where I like to make my reds a little bit deeper. So I will just use a darker brown and blend that in. Easy peasy. So this is where I'm going to do my black. But this is the black I recommend. It's way better than the black you'll ever get anywhere else on the planet. It is from Etsy. Look it up. It is the highest pigmented black you will find. So we're going to just blend that in. Yeah. Alright, now it's time for the brow blending. So I'll trace out my brows with just a sharp brush. And make the shape of it and everything. This takes the longest and the steadiest hand. And now it's time to do the second one, and you know, that's always the hardest part. Are they sisters or are they cousins? Or are they not even related? I don't know. It's good enough. It is good enough. Alright, time for the eyeliner. Eyeliner, okay? This one's my favorite ever. Maybelline Studios. The blackest of the black. It is black as black. Maybelline gel eyeliner. It is the best one. Okay? I don't care what you're using. Don't use that anymore. Use this one. This one is my favorite. It goes on super good. And now just the tedious task of actually making that liner straight and, you know, as thick as it can be. So I'll bring it just off my eye. I will do my first, it's like my first set of eyeliner, okay? And then I will bring it all pointed out. You see that gap? We're looking for the gap, alright? There you go. I'll bring it down off of my eye and make it all so it'll caress the bottom, kind of. I don't know if that makes sense. It kind of makes sense to me a little bit. Okay, now second tier of eyeliner. From like the bottom crease of the eye and bring it up to the point I've already made for my eyeshadow, right? And then just blend that out. Make it kind of a thick boy. It's like a thick boy and come and blend it out a little bit to the side. So it'll blend into just my black eyeshadow. And now the very hard, you gotta beef yourself up for this one, okay? The waterline edge, I guess we'll call it, I don't know. the pointed edge of your eye. Making that cat eye. There we go, that's the word. There you go. Yeah, that looks good, right? Solid. Okay, brow time. Same eyeliner. And now just lining the eyebrows, okay? Lining what you've already created. And that's why I like to use a lighter shade of eyeshadow to do the brows first and then line them. Because then you're not going to fuck it up. You already had plenty of time to do the lighter shade, the lighter eyeshadow, and make it poppin'. So, and then just blend that out until it looks good enough for you. Oh, she pointy. She fucking pointy. And then get that other one, you know, reflects. Does that look good? Is that okay? Decent. They like each other. They're perfect for each other. Okay. Now we are going to line the lips. Same eyeliner for everything, okay? I use my eyeliner for everything. And I'm just going to do the side creases of the mouth and just line a little bit on the sides. Blend it out on the bottom right there, a little bit. A little bit of blending, never hurt anybody. Alright, and now for the eye, what is it? What's this shit called? Mascara! Use any kind you like, okay? I don't recommend any kind of mascaras. They all work alike. Get yourself a nice pair of falsies. Here I am being a dumbass. I use this adhesive. Do not use the other one, it's kind of shit. The duo works really well. I missed that, I just haven't gone and bought it. It's like a fucking $5. I don't wanna. I'm waiting until this one runs out, okay? It's gonna be forever. For 60 seconds, you blow on them. You know how it goes. I don't know if you've ever done this in your life, but go ahead and put them falsies on. And then I will just do some more blending to the collarbones and stuff like that. To those jugular veins, you know, whatever. And there you go! Woo! That is my everyday makeup. This is it. So grand, right? Wow. Wow! Wow. I don't know why anybody lets me out of my cage. Alright, it's time to do the demon section. Okay, I put those on wrong, as you may have noticed. Time for the demon alterations. It's time for the demon summoning. Get yourself a nice angled brush, and time to work. More lipstick. Here we go. More red lipstick. Rest in peace. I'll just make it kind of look like blood drippy. It's kind of what I like to do. Then I will do some forehead stuff. Make some drippies there. I don't know what else to call them. And then I'll just, you know, do some lining of the jugulars, lining down the front, and blend line. I don't know what else to say about this, except that you just line and blend. Line and blend, guys. Then we're gonna make a little arrow. I guess it's an arrow. I mostly just kind of go at it, do whatever. And then I'll make my tears of the blood of the innocent. And then, you know, fuck up my eyebrow a little bit. Looks good. Looks decent. Alright, time for the finer touches, where we'll take the same red and we'll make more lines. It makes them stand out. You did your first blends. Now you're doing the linings. And I'll always make some kind of like this talisman kind of thing on my forehead. I guess that's what I'm gonna call it. And then you make your little demonic markings. To be honest, they kind of look like little Japanese symbols. What can I say? I don't know how to not make them into little Japanese symbols. They're just a little random. And then make your battle markings. Tribal battle markings. That's what they are. That's what you were gonna call them. Gonna do a little bit of those finer touches on the lips and those laps. Do some fucking more demonic markings. Yeah, go see close up on that forehead. Look at that schnoz. Look at. I'm just gonna give my shit the whole time I'm gonna do this. More demonic markings. More. We need more. And then a tiny moon, I guess. Yeah. Just put more markings until you think it looks good. I think that that's a good way to go about it. Okay, now time for the black. Just the black with my eyeliner. Shading and then lining. The same red that we've done. And we'll do these like little side things to the lips. Yeah, decent. Looks good. Looks alright. Yeah. Yeah. See, when people see my makeup and they're like, "Oh, that looks cool," I'm like, honestly, I feel like it's not that different. Well, I feel like it's not too hard to do. That's all. Okay, more markings. More markings. I'm an artiste, guys. I'm an artiste. Some dots. You just line some shit, put some dots all over it. Here is where we'll do more highlighting. It just makes everything pop a lot better. With the same white that I did my crevices with and everything. Just do some more lining with the white. Makes everything pop really well. Do the cheeks, do the brows. Do some more under chin stuff, yeah. Decent, looks good. It's demonic-ish. This is just who I am as a person. I don't know. I hope you guys like it. Okay guys, so that concludes our demonic makeup. Okay, this is it. I don't really, I kind of just do this various shit. It's not really, it's not too much different. Always do some forehead shit, some side eye shit. Only on one. It makes it more drastic. And also my hair covers the side. Why would I do it on both sides? But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I really hope so. I enjoyed making it. It was easy on me since it's like my everyday thing. This is what I waste my time doing, guys. This is it. This is the thing. That's why I can't get anything else done. Alright, okay, bye. I love you. I'm just kidding. Honestly, it only takes me like up to an hour. If that. But I'll see you later. Bye!